the water is really like the unexplored territory, not space. If all that stuff are true, then like for example, you can look at star paths, like a time lapse of star paths from the last like 1,000, 2,000 years, and you'll basically see this, and that basically proves it's the same stars. Like if we were spinning 1,000 miles an hour, three different directions, or they also conveniently say that we're tilted at 23.4 degrees, in other words, 66.6 degrees, and then supposedly spinning three different directions, a bunch of different ways. But we see the same stars that the Greeks saw 2,000 years ago, and the same stars the Egyptians saw 3,000 years ago. It's always been the same constellations in the sky, and it's been the same stars that we just watch spin around us. And it's basically the exact snow globe. The sky spins around us, the moon and the sun. And basically, when the flood happened, there's water above, there's water below. God just opened the floodgates basically, and water came in. And then he instructed Noah on how to build the ark to where it could withstand the flood. But the true like place that NASA is really exploring is underwater, because that's actually the aquatic kingdom is very demonic. What happened in the New Testament when there was a bunch of demons that Jesus found in a man and he brought them out? They went into the pigs. After they went into the pigs, they went into the water. And the creator of Avatar, he was a Satanist, a proud Satanist. And he went into a trance state after a bunch of rituals one day, and he wanted to see the face of his deity, which was Satan. And he ended up coming up with the Avatar, like that blue aquatic thing. And like, obviously fallen angels come in a bunch of different forms. They can all change their forms. Evidently, that's one of them. The water is really like the unexplored territory, not space.